All right, guys, here we go. You know, ever since I gotten this Monarch ammo for cheap bulk ammo, I'm really kind of liking it. And some of it's shot pretty good in some of my guns, especially my Bergara B14R for bulk ammo. So I was wanting to see what I can, it's not match ammo, don't get me wrong. Yeah, it's bulk ammo, but I'm going to shoot one of No Pro's Lollipop challenge. It's going to be a level 1. I've already shot the level 2 with something else. But I got a couple magazines filled up there, and I think I got 5 rounds in there. And it's, say, Bergara B14R. It's got an Arkin scope on it and a Trigger Tech trigger in it. And down 50 yards. Let me pause you, and we'll get set up here and set you up the spine scope. Alrighty, guys, and there it is there. And, two's up there in the upper left there. That's your siders right there. Then the 3 lollipops on top, you got to go through, put a shot in each one, and come back and sequence them. So you end up 2 shots in each one of those top 3 lollipops there. And then the next row down is 1 shot in each one of the lollipops right there. Then the 3rd row down, the swirly one right there. You see, you get that one right there. Then you get to put a shot and a 2 that are crossed right there in each one of them without 1 shot touching both suckers. And then the bottom row right there, and you get that little star down there, bottom for a bonus. And then at the very top right-hand corner there, optional, you get a shot you can do up there. I clear my throat here a little bit. Okay. Phone says wind 4 miles an hour, so I ain't got no excuse today. Actually, it feels like pretty calm right now. So we're going to find out here how good this Monarch ammo does in the Bergara. So I'm going to do some warm-ups here. Get this stuff on my pockets here so I can see something. Okay, we'll do a few warm-up shots here on that tooth. Now, I've given a chance for my barrel to cool down, but that's what I'm talking about, guys. See how this stuff. A little bit lower. That's not bad for bulk ammo, in my book right there. Hey, let me put a full mag in here. And I think I'm hitting either on par with it or down a little bit low. So I'm going to hold a little bit on the top edge of them lollipops. And that's a hit. Oh, geez. Blowing flew above. See that? Now I was aiming for the top of it, too. I did feel a little bit of a breeze, but I don't think enough to affect it. Blowing right at my face. That one right there. Okay, let's go for the next one there. Okay. Actually, on that one, held down a little bit lower, so I want to do the same on the purple one. Okay. I got two of those suckers, I think. Just drop down a row. Oh, I don't know. It might get a little bit of it. That's one thing I put gauge in probably. That's another one, maybe the edge of it. I don't know. Okay, I think that was all that mag. So, and we got to drop down to the swirl sucker there now. I mean, come on, guys, this is bulk ammo. Cheapo bulk ammo. Oh! I can't believe that. Okay. I was kind of holding down a little bit on that one. Oh, geez. Now we know it was shooting pretty good right there. I don't think I should move my scope. I just kind of went aim high on that one. Yeah, I think I got that one. Okay, let's go to the red lollipop on the bottom. Uh-oh, here comes the breeze right in my face. Maybe got the edge right. Okay, let's go for the star in the tooth. Ooh. Maybe. Okay. I got one more here for that little green goblin up top. Let me look at my magazine. Yep. We got to go for it. Got to do it. What's that little green goblin? Is that supposed to be a cavity or what? Oh, I don't know. Let me see if I'm out of ammo. You got one more round. I'm gonna put it over in the cider tooth right there, just to get rid of this extra round right here. Okay. All right, guys. Let me pause you here and we'll go down and get that thing. All right, guys, let's take a look at it here. Yeah, the first one here, you can definitely see I got 2 shots in there. I blew it on this one right here, blew it right there. As you can see, I got down here, stick and part of the sucker there, and got 2 up there. So point here, 0 here, point here. This one right here, you see I'm into the red right there usually. Got the yellow right there. Well, I forgot to check on that one. I did check on that, I think. Let me get it up here. You guys can see right there, it's into the blue right there, my checker. And we got this one right here. You see it's centered up in there. I missed this one, shot clean down here. Got the star. That's worth 10 points right there. I only got one of the, missed this sucker, but I got this one right here. You can see that hole right there. I only hit each one of these ones. Got this one, this one, this one, and this one. Yeah, and so then we went to the, what is this No Pro? Is that just a sick guy, or is that supposed to be a cavity? What is he got? I put up here, it's, I'm going to let you guys see. It's too close for me to call. You know, I call it considered a miss there. That's you guys see. So, up here, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, minus 5, because you get 10 points. If you miss, you lose, so you get a 40. That's what I think. You guys, what do you think? Did I hit that little guy or not? I'm gonna go with the side on edge on error and say no. But they got it close. So the main thing is, let me put this back here. I did that with this Monarch ammo. I mean, come on. That's pretty impressive for bulk ammo. I mean, this one probably could have been a flyer out of it too, and this one right here, but maybe right here. But for the most part, it's I'm impressed. Enough where I bought a second brick of this stuff, put it that way. And this Bergara seems to like it. So let me know what you think, guys, and we'll talk to you next time.